On the Lulu.com homepage, select Calendars under the Create tab. Click Start Your Calendar at the top of the page. Sign in to your Lulu account. Be sure that Calendar is selected under Product Type, then select a goal for your calendar. For this example, we will choose Print Your Calendar. Enter a project title, then select a language and category. There are two options when it comes to designing your calendar. You can choose Create a Calendar to easily upload your images and events using Lulu's free calendar creator tool, or you can choose Upload a Calendar to upload an original PDF using one of our pre-formatted templates. Option 1. Create a Calendar. Choose the date range and start date for your calendar. Upload events from your digital calendar or add custom events manually. You may also select a country to add national events. Upload a front cover and back cover image, as well as an image for each month of your calendar. Be sure your images meet the requirements listed. Select a theme for your calendar grid, then click Create Calendar. View your calendar in the preview window to be sure you are happy with the generated result. You should also download your print-ready files and review them before proceeding. Then click Review. Option 2. Upload a Calendar. Choose a date range to generate a calendar template, then download the template. Design your calendar using one of the template themes. Be sure to unlock and select the Images Pages layer to replace the image placeholders with your photos or designs. Also, be sure that the template guides layer is turned off so the guides are not visible in your final PDF. When you are finished designing your calendar, export your PDF using the Lulu Calendar Print PDF.job options preset provided. Please refer to our calendar creation guide located on the Guides and Templates page under the Resources tab on Lulu.com for more information on creating your PDF. Upload your finished PDF by dragging and dropping it into the upload box. View your calendar in the preview window to be sure you are happy with the generated result. You should also download your print-ready files and review them before proceeding. Then click Review. Confirm your calendar specifications and files by clicking the checkbox, then click Add to Cart to buy a copy of your new calendar.